Spaghetti is one of my easiest, simplest, and delicious recipe we love so much. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I make the sauce with spaghetti. Very simple. So in a pot, I added some water and some salt to taste. Yeah, we want the spaghetti to taste nice. And whilst it's on fire, I'm going to prepare my sauce. I have all my ingredients washed and clean. So I blend everything together like this. And in a pot, I added some oil. I have my chopped onions to give the oil the flavor that we want. So we stir and then leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes to fry. And then we add our blended ingredients. So if you watched to this far, then kindly hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. And also turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my videos, okay? I have an amazing recipes for you. To my returning subscribers, God bless you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate the love. So here we leave it and fry, and then allow the water in the sauce to evaporate. And we continue to stir so that it doesn't get stuck to the pan. So here I added some tomato paste. It's frozen, yeah. So I added it and allow it to melt. And we have something like this. It's looking so good. And then we fry it on medium heat, not too much heat. And here I added some blended tomatoes, okay, fresh tomatoes for this recipe. So this is the tomatoes. We are going to stir and allow it to cook well, okay? So at this point, this is how it is looking. All the water has been evaporated and you can see some oil on top of the stew. It means that our stew is almost ready. So here we check on our water and it is boiling, and then we are going to add our spaghetti. You can use any type, and this is some oil. I use the oil for it because I don't want it to come together, to get stuck, okay, after cooking. That's why I use the oil on top. But if you don't want it, you can skip it. And then our spaghetti is almost ready. And then I tested it and it was so cooked, yeah, as to what I wanted. Yeah, so this is the sauce. We are adding our spaghetti to it. And guys, the place smells good already, and look how juicy it looks like. So nice, beautiful spaghetti in the sauce. So you can try this for your amazing family. They will love it, especially the kids. They will love it so much. So kindly hit the subscribe button for me, and also like this video. It helps me so much, and I also need your comment on this video. What do you think about this recipe? Are you going to give it a try? Let me know in the comment section. And here is left for us to serve and enjoy. So I paired mine with some chicken wings, yeah. So I will bring this recipe for you, and it was tasting so good. So with chicken wings in a sauce and also some vegetables or salad, yeah, and then it was so good. God bless you so much for watching to this end, and subscribe, like, share, and comment. Until I see you in my next video. Watch the video showing up there. Bye.